In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make professional CV or resume photos with Gemini. Such a smart tip to boost your professional image. A good CV photo can make a significant difference in how potential employers perceive you. And today, I'll show you how to transform a simple photo into a clean, professional-looking CV portrait using Gemini. So grab your favorite photo and let's get started. First things first, head over to Google. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in the URL bar, google.com. Once you're on Google's homepage, the next step is to enter the phrase Google Gemini in the search bar. Press enter and let Google do its magic in finding the relevant site for our needs today. After the search results load, look for the official Google Gemini website and go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the Gemini page, where all the wonderful photo editing fun will happen. When you're on the Gemini website, locate and click on the Create Image button. This is the feature where you'll be editing and enhancing your photo to look more polished and formal for your CV or resume. Take your time to find the button. It's usually represented with a banana icon if you're using the latest version. Once you're in, it's time to upload the image you want to transform. Look for the plus sign icon, which allows you to upload a photo from your device. Click on this icon, browse through your files, and select the best photo you have, preferably a clear portrait where you look professional yet approachable. Now that your photo is uploaded, it's time to generate a prompt. This is where you tell Gemini exactly how you want the photo to be transformed. A good example of a prompt is to instruct Gemini to enhance the portrait by ensuring a straightened pose, add a clean white background, apply natural corporate lighting, and perform subtle skin retouching. You can also ask for a sharp, color-corrected suit and tie. The aim is to achieve a polished and formal look that's appropriate for a professional CV. With your prompt ready, the final step is to click on the Submit button. This will send your instructions to Gemini, and in just a few moments, you'll have a transformed photo that's perfect for including in a CV or resume. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Gemini to create a stunning professional photo for your CV. This simple yet powerful tool can help elevate your first impression, making your job applications stand out. Give it a try and watch how it changes the way employers see you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.